The JCA 50 Plus Employment Expo is an opportunity for midlife and older workers to connect with employers that actually have jobs. It's also a place where they can learn about training opportunities and other ways to ready themselves for the jobs they need and want. There are so many ways that midlife and older workers can find benefit in an expo such as this one. Here we are proud to offer photos by AARP so that people can add those to their LinkedIn profiles and other forms of networking. We have resume review sessions with skilled resume reviewers providing free support to ensure that people are putting their best foot forward and are prepared to apply online, which is required by many employers these days. Also, talking with the employers is a way to get a sense as to what are the jobs available, what are they paying, how do you go about the application process. We also have tables available where job seekers can network with one another. That's a part of the networking process that older adults need to familiarize themselves with, because decades ago that wasn't the way people went about looking for a job. Today it's the norm. For more information about JCA, we hope that you'll visit the JCA website.